Ito, ang mga NBA low IQ moments. Simulan natin sa move ni Kyle Lowry na pati mismo ang coach niya ay hindi makapaniwala.
Offensive foul.
I don't think I've ever seen anybody try to take their body through the guy's legs. You?
That might be the first.
Kung akala mo worse na yan, panoorin mo ang miss open dunk na ito.
Comes Paul Reed. Big old Paul. Left it short. Got a little too clever there.
Medyo idol yata neto si LeBron. At sa susunod na video, panoorin naman natin ang low IQ moment ni PJ Tucker.
Still much time remaining. Trier, 3 clutch free throws in a row.
Yeah, but they're going to use their 24. Oh, this the ball is live. Butler banks it home. Pass. Watch Gordon throw it into Tucker, and he doesn't know it. He doesn't go for it. Butler finally comes to his senses and puts it in.
Nasobrahan sa box out, nakalimutan ng kumuha ng bola. Pero tila nasobrahan naman yata sa paghawak ng bola itong team ng Hornets at Minnesota.
Bridges has had quite the season 2 of highlight film plays.
Oh no, Carl. And then Beverly.
Ginigil nyo si Jordan. At hindi naman masama kung mag-exhibition move ka sa loob ng court. Huwag nga lang sosobra.
When you make a bad play and the coach doesn't say anything, he just sits back in his chair and closes his mouth. That's that look right there.
Kaya siguro na trade to. Mag-focus naman tayo kay Kevin Porter Jr. Dahil ang ginawa nito kontra Raptors ay talaga namang ewan.
139 to 120. And wait a minute, Porter just put it in the Raptors basket. What? Kevin, what are you doing?
Tambak na kayo, dinagdagan mo pa. Pero hindi ko rin malaman ano bang tumatakbo sa utak ni Draymond Green nang gawin niya ito sa laban kontra San Antonio.
See what they run here to free up Steph. So 8.7. Obviously you need a 3 if you're the Warriors. Damian Lee to inbound. Oh, still looking for Steph. Now Draymond's got it.
What did he do that for?
Draymond shot a 3 with 5 seconds left.
Why? You got time. He thought they were probably going to foul him right away.
Si Steph dapat gumagawa niyan, Draymond. Okay, let's move on. Ang pag-inbound ng bola ay madali lang naman tama. Pero hindi para sa lahat. Itanong mo pa kay LeBron.
And Booker, the little jump shot is good. You're right. They're just out hustling the Lakers right now.
Yeah, that's all it is. And the Lakers just now turn it over, so it's Phoenix ball again.
Turnover.
Challenge it, but there's no challenges on those plays inside 2 minutes. So,
Oh, he just violated. LeBron James just violated the end line.
you know,
Parang hindi ikaw yan, LeBron. O siya, para maiba. Panoorin naman natin ang kanyang high IQ moment.
LeBron James missing at the line. Scored in double figures, 352 consecutive games, and the Timberwolves just sleeping. James hits again.
Nakalimot na din yata ng basketball ang Minnesota. At sa ating next moment, si J.R. Smith naman ang pag-usapan natin. Hindi yan ang tinutukoy ko Basta, panoorin nyo na lang to. Pero bago ang lahat, ang videong ito ay hatid sa atin ng 1xBet, ang number 1 legit betting site na pwede kang tumaya at manalo kahit nasa bahay ka lang. Mag-register lang gamit ang iyong number at gamitin ang ating promo code at maaari ka nang makakuha ng up to 7,000 bonus sa una mong deposit. Dito ay pwede kang tumaya sa mga paborito mong NBA games at sa iba pang sports. Pwede ka na rin tumaya sa ibang laro tulad ng slot at card games. Pinadali na din ang pag-cash in at cash out through GCash. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? I-click mo na ang link sa comment section to register. Talagang nakipag-shake hands si J.R. Smith sa mismong laro. Ang weird talaga ni J.R. At kung weird moment ang usapan, mawawala ba naman dyan si JaVale McGee? Dahil ang player na ito ay suki ng mga bloopers sa NBA.
Desperately. Long rebound, Nick
Young. John Wall up top. McGee, where was he? He was running back, trying to get back in transition. Up at the rim and a turnover.
Hindi ko alam Siguro trip niya lang talagang maging ganyan.
All that info at Warriors.com, but the Santa Cruz Warriors playing at Oracle for the very first time.
Uy, kalaban mag-i-inbound, hindi ikaw.
I wonder if JaVale McGee was going to take that ball out of bounds. He just made Shaq the fool.
Ang pagpasa ng bola ay isang madaling bagay, lalo na kapag nasa NBA ka. Hindi ko na lang alam sa mga players na ito.
Turnover. Shooter. Brown. Look at Jaylen Brown. My bad.
Seth Curry is going to receive.
And that one, my goodness. Matthew Stafford just checked in.
Cousins. Gets it on the floor, kicks it out to Curry. Unfortunately for the Warriors, Curry's not in the game at the present time.
He could make it from that distance, however, and he might be able to make it sitting down.
See, now I try to keep it alive. He does.
At sa ating susunod na moment, panoorin mo kung paano sinampal ni Lance Stephenson ang kanyang sarili.
There's a moving screen, and that would be an offensive foul. I gotta see that replay again. Which hand hit Lance Stephenson in the face?
Sinampal mo na sarili mo. Ikaw pa nakakuha ng foul. Pero tila sanay naman yata talagang gumawa ng sariling kapalpakan tong player na to.
Here's Lance with the dance. I'm gonna call it a trip. What? He might have tripped over his own feet. Maybe the wet floor? I don't know. Either way, this is going to definitely show up on an episode of Shaq and a Fool. Right? Tripped over a line, Ralph.
At minsan, kahit araw-araw mo nang ginagawa ang basketball, sadyang makakalimot at makakalimot ka. Gaya na lang ng makalimot mag-dribble ng bola. Itong sila Westbrook, LBJ, Bradley Beal at James Harden.
And a travel call on Russell Westbrook.
I didn't even see that in the backcourt. I was looking up the other end.
2-11 lead, another Mountain America Credit Union three-point shot, and $50 to the Huntsman Cancer Foundation. Just putting on the clinic here these first 3 minutes.
14. Beal the basket. Passes out of the sideline for Ariza. They tried to get to the he was bumped out of bounds by Luke Kennard. Justin Van Dyke calls a foul.
This basketball team and a guy to Luke Walton. Rockets need a couple of quick threes. Harden missing on the first one. They're going to run out of time here. Ariza. This is the second.
Sa sobrang dami ng step, daig mo pa ang sumayaw.